Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance cars of the decade, the 2026 Nissan GT-R, also known as the R36. After years of speculation and spy shots, the next generation GT-R has finally arrived, and it's nothing short of a modern-day legend reborn. Whether you're a longtime GT-R fan or new to the Nissan performance world, this car demands your attention. Let's start with the design. The 2026 GT-R36 strikes a perfect balance between evolution and revolution. It keeps the aggressive stance and muscular profile we expect from the GT-R badge, but now it's sleeker, more aerodynamic, and infused with a futuristic edge. The sharp LED headlights, redesigned front grille, and sculpted hood give it an unmistakable presence on the road. Around the back, a reworked diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and an active rear wing hint at its high-speed potential. Nissan has managed to keep the GT-R's soul alive while pushing its design language into a bold new era. Under the hood, the R36 packs a serious punch. While Nissan has stayed tight-lipped for years, it's now confirmed that the 2026 GT-R uses a hybridized twin-turbocharged V6 engine. This powertrain produces an astonishing 710 horsepower, making it the most powerful GT-R ever. It's mated to a revised dual-clutch transmission and sends power to all four wheels via an upgraded Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system. Thanks to this setup, the R36 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Nissan also incorporated regenerative braking and torque vectoring to boost both efficiency and cornering prowess. Inside, the GT-R36 offers a dramatic leap in refinement and tech. Gone are the dated plastics and simple displays. Instead, you're welcomed by a driver-focused cockpit featuring a massive digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen seamlessly integrated into the dash. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even real-time telemetry for track days. Materials have been upgraded across the board, with premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and leather wrapping nearly every surface. The front sport seats are deeply bolstered, heated, and ventilated, offering exceptional support during spirited driving. Now let's talk about what makes this GT-R truly unique. For starters, it introduces Nissan's new eBoost tech, a system that works in tandem with the electric motors to provide instant torque fill between gear shifts, virtually eliminating turbo lag. There's also an optional track edition that adds carbon ceramic brakes, a titanium exhaust system, and weight reduction measures for even more serious performance. Nissan has also improved its customizable driving modes, allowing drivers to fine-tune suspension, steering, and throttle response independently. The 2026 GT-R36 isn't just a car, it's a declaration that Nissan's performance legacy is alive and thriving in the modern era. It blends raw speed with advanced hybrid tech, aggressive styling with refined luxury, and track-ready power with everyday usability. This is more than just a new GT-R, it's the evolution of a legend. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more right here on Gearhead Central.